Sana na-enjoy yung pelikula namin. Happy birthday, Tito Romel. And yung tatay ko wala pa dito, mamaya pa siya darating. So, maraming salamat. Thank you all my friends and my family that are here tonight. And thank you, Cornerstone. Thank you, Direk. Thank you for the movie. And of course, congratulations, Christian Bables.
Ayan, nakakapangan talaga natin ng mga aktingan, lalo na syempre Inigo rin. And syempre, kung hindi dahil sa kanya, wala tayong lahat dito. At magkakaroon tayo ng magandang pelikula. Direct Victor Villanueva!
Hi everyone, thank you for coming here. Shout out to my friends na kalakan sila dyan. So this is my first queer coded na film, so happy Pride to everyone. I would like to thank Cornerstone Studios for this project, and it's such an amazing, wonderful and funny cast. And ayun, I hope you guys enjoy. Please support and your friends if you like it. And your family, manood kayo na Rags to Riches. Yan.
Ayaw, maraming salamat, Direk. And of course, guys, eto na. I-congratulate natin agad in advance with matching Bonggalorium na flowers ang nag-iisa. Grabe, award-winning dito. Grabe yung aktingan nito eh. Anong ibigay mo dyan na role? Talagang magagampanan niya. Naku, welcome natin, Christian Bables!
Oh my gosh, maraming salamat po. Salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta sa premiere night namin. Napaka-importante po ng gabi na ito para sa aming lahat. Gusto kong pasalamatan yung Cornerstone family ko. Salamat for making this happen. My family, Christers, my family, lahat ng mga guests ko, lahat ng mga guests po namin lahat dito. Maraming salamat po. Mag-enjoy po tayong lahat ngayong gabi.
Maraming salamat!